Papo tayo ng flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125 Hindi po ako professional. Ito po, 4 na siya. Tapos, didikitin na natin siya. Una, tatali muna natin yung 2.
This is my happy
Pasensya na sa
song.
kamay
I
ko.
like to sing it all day long. I'll teach you the words, then you can sing along. Let's try a low voice. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy.
Ito po ay iikot lang.
Happy, 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 happy,
Ikot lang
happy.
natin to.